chilling. I looked around and people were killing. They were killing, stealing to support bad habits. You see what you want, you just grab it, run to escape the truth. It's like living with a time bomb. Time's up for you. Now I know you heard it said before, drugs are for dopes. See, it's easy to say, still don't make it easy when you're living with the daily, 24/7. The 9-year-old kid selling crack in projects, that ain't happening. No other way to make it. I gotta get out of this hell that I see every day. It's ticking like a time I'm waiting to explode in my head. No, you don't understand with your high-dollar jobs. The only thing you know is what you see on TV. Another brother down, crying the blues. Details later on the 6 o'clock news. There's so much pain going on. Brothers against brothers. Pain is close to my heart. It's killing me from the inside. I gotta get out. Y'all know what I'm talking about.
Brothers, I have a dream today.
This rhyme is coming from the perspective of a man who's seen the scam. The mind is a terrible thing to waste. And whatever happened to in God we trust? It seems to me it's a must if you wanna make it no bust. The sucker MCs, those times are dead. Whole lot of rapping but nothing being said. People still singing, we shall overcome someday. Well, I'm here to tell you, your time has come today. You need to learn how to pray. You know what I'm trying to say? You need to love one another. See, Martin Luther King had a dream. It's up to you and me to keep that dream alive, make it reality, my brothers and my sisters. We gotta learn to love one another, my people. Forget this dope thing, man, it's killing us from the inside. Y'all don't understand, it's killing you from the inside. The devil's using it to poison your mind, to poison your system. If my people were to humble themselves and to call by my name, I will heal the land. That's what's written in the word. You gotta take it for your own. Black people, you gotta come, unite, come in with God. It's not a separate thing. We need to learn to love one another. Black man, white man, yellow man.